Good morning, friends. Last time I spoke about defining the problem statement as the second most critical component for digital transformation based on AI. Our third most critical component is solution approach or design. Now, when we talk about design thinking, it involves discovering the unmet needs in a particular situation in various constraints. Now, it involves generating creative ideas, and it helps in creating repeatable and scalable process for innovation. Now, it involves various steps. First one is empathizing. Empathizing helps in learning about the audience, who they are, what matters to them, etc. Now, second one is defining and creating point of view of about the customer's needs, what they like, what they don't like, where they go, what inspires them to do anything, and things like that. Third one is ideation. Ideation involves brainstorming of creative ideas and solutions, and we should let our team let their imagination go wild and come up with bright new ideas, so that we can zero in on from among a large number of idea sets to the best ones that work. Second last is prototyping, which is modeling our problem statement as well as a solution, so that in a rough draft manner, so that we can share it with the audience for their feedback as to what worked and what didn't. Next and the last one is the testing of prototyping that has been done with the audience to get their feedback as to what worked and what didn't. So these and many other topics have been covered in my book, Leveraging AI for Business Success. So you can grab the copy from Flipkarts and Amazons of the world, link for which is given inside the video. So get your copy from any of these and get the ball rolling. Thank you.